In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a Salesforce email template. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to enhance the visual appeal of their emails and make them more engaging for recipients. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Email Templates section. This is where all the magic happens, as this area allows you to create or modify templates that form the backbone of your email communications. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing template, this initial step is key to ensuring you're working in the right area of your email interface. Once you're there, decide whether you want to create a brand new email template or simply edit one that you've already made. If it's a new template, you'll have a blank canvas to work with, giving you more freedom in terms of design and content creation. On the other hand, if you're editing, you'll be integrating the image into your existing template. With this in mind, think about where it might best fit your current layout to enhance clarity and design. Now, once you're in the email body editor, the real fun begins. You'll notice a variety of formatting options, and one of these will be an image icon. You'll need to click this icon. This is your gateway to transforming a plain email into a visually stimulating message for your audience. After clicking the image icon, you'll be presented with options such as Browse or Upload. Selecting one of these will let you choose your desired image. Ideally, you want an image that not only complements your email content, but also speaks to the theme or purpose of your message. At this point, if the image you want to use is already stored in your media files, you can simply select it. Alternatively, if the image is on your computer, you can click Upload Image to select and upload it directly from your device. Remember to ensure that the image is of good quality and the file size is manageable to prevent any issues during the upload process. Large file sizes can slow down the loading time of your email or even prevent the image from displaying correctly, so keep that in mind. Once you've chosen your image and it's successfully uploaded, the final step in this process is to click Save. By saving, you ensure all your hard work is not lost, and the image will appear perfectly in your email template, ready to catch the eye of every recipient. And there you have it. Your image is now embedded into the email body. It's a straightforward process, but one that can dramatically enhance the effectiveness of your emails. By following these steps, you can add a spark of creativity to your communications, making them not only informative, but also visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing.